Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Marvel Rivals mods after a game patch. Game updates often introduce changes that can break your existing mods, leading to crashes or unexpected behavior. It is a common challenge for modding enthusiasts. We will go through the essential steps to get your favorite modifications working smoothly again, ensuring you can continue enjoying your customized game experience without frustration. Let's dive right in. Before you even think about installing new mods, preparation is key. First, always back up your game files. This provides a safe restore point if anything goes wrong. Next, verify your game's file integrity through your launcher, ensuring a clean base. Finally, remove all old mod files to prevent conflicts. These 3 steps are crucial for a smooth modding experience and will save you a lot of potential headaches down the line. Now that your game is prepared, it is time to find compatible mods. Always look for mods explicitly updated for the latest game patch to ensure functionality. Reputable modding websites and forums are your best resources for safe downloads. Pay close attention to each mod's installation guide. They often contain specific steps, like placing files in particular folders or using a dedicated mod manager. Following these instructions precisely is vital for success. Even with careful preparation, you might encounter issues. A great troubleshooting tip is to install and test mods individually. This helps pinpoint any conflicting files quickly. If problems persist, check modding forums. Chances are someone else has faced and solved the same issue. Finally, remember to keep both your game and any modding tools updated. Regular maintenance ensures a stable and enjoyable modded Marvel Rivals experience for the long term.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.